Today we're going to talk about watercolor and hair. Here we go. We will be doing a Facebook Live on Drop That Brush, February 8th on 1 o'clock Central Time. So, are you ready? This is gonna be so fun. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. There are so many ways to do hair in watercolor, from realistic to kind of impressionistic. Both are good. You know, it just depends on what you want to focus on. The red-haired girl, she has, it's very soft, but you still know it's a braid without even drawing lines. I like this better than the first one. But you know, I practice, I learn, I continue to grow. And hair is not what I would say the easiest thing because everybody is so different. So I'm gonna show you how I break it down when I'm trying to do hair. And I hope that'll help you guys when you wanna paint hair. The first thing I do when I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do with the hair is to do it in black and white. So I can look and see the movements. So I'm not looking at the color. It doesn't really matter. I can make her blonde, I can make her a redhead. That's all. All I need to know is movement and lights and darks, and color doesn't actually make a difference. So it's nicer if I do it in a black and white because then I don't worry about that part. Then what I do is I go to PicJoy. And I did the drawing tool, and you can see here, what I'm looking for is the movement of the hair. So when I'm having my brush, and I'm gonna do that hair, I don't wanna go. What I actually wanna do is follow the movement of that hair with your brush. And so you have to know where the movement's gonna go. So I actually draw that in frequently. Then, okay, now I've got the basic movement, so at least I have an idea which way I'm going. Then the next thing I look at is lights and darks. So you can see in this area of hair, there's lights and there's darks. So I can look at that to determine to have that movement. Now, if everything is kept soft, you get soft edges and actual hair is soft. So it shouldn't be too hard. There shouldn't be a lot of hard edges. Okay, here it's light, here it's dark, but we're still gonna move our brush in the position that we want to move. And that just using the brushwork as moving, how the brush moves, that will say everything you want to say without having to be be picky. Sometimes their hair is difficult. It's going this way and that way, and you're thinking it's windy or something, and it's making you crazy. You're thinking, what am I gonna do with it? So here's where my plan. I come up with a plan. I like to have a plan. It doesn't always work, but I'm ever hopeful. So for this little girl, gorgeous little picture, difficult hair as far as I was concerned. So what I did is I broke it up into lights and darks. So I know that there's colors going through it, but mainly, here's the lights, here's my darks, and this is the picture where I've broken it down. Then what I do is I take, after I got the darks and lights down, then I come through here and pull out information, however the strand is going. And so if it goes this way, I'm moving that entire through the darks and lights. You never know how it works. And so this is the picture, the actual picture. Did it look exactly like that? Oh no, I guarantee you I did not make it exactly because it was crazy. You couldn't have done it. or maybe you could, but you'd have to be a little more persnickety than I. So I come through, I did that basic feeling. If I got the feeling of the hair, I thought I did a good job. How do you handle difficult hair? You know, when I'm doing people and give me a hat, man, it's much easier to do a hat. I can do a hat, but hair can be so different for each person. So I'm not doing a demo. It's each one's so different. Each one has to require a different technique, as far as I'm concerned. I can't just do, this is what I do with straight hair or curly hair. Each one has become a process to determine which is the best process for that particular person's hair. So you'll see that as I'm doing, I will do hair. It's not my favorite, but I will do it. You'll get a chance to see this, probably this little girl's hair again. Do you have any questions? Show me your best ideas and how you did it. Because boy, this is something that I still find is a little difficult. And that's okay. Things have to be difficult so that you can learn and grow. And that's what I want you to do, is to learn and grow. And I'm just giving you some techniques that I use to try to help myself as I'm going, oh my God, that's so hard to do it. So I'm using some of these techniques through doing the drawing tool and trying to get ideas so I know what I want to do. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. When you don't know what you're doing and you're just playing with your brush, drop that brush. You have a wonderful day, and I will see you next week. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Next week on February 8th at 1 o'clock on my Drop That Brush Facebook page, I'm gonna do a live, this should be too funny, live painting. I'm just gonna do something simple for Valentine's Day. I thought it'd be kind of fun. I can hopefully talk to some people. People who are watching this, I hope I get a chance to say hi, answer any questions. It'll be fun. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. You know, I don't know how hard this is gonna be, and I've never done it before, so yeah, this is gonna be a process. You know, we're all learning.